Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you where we stayed in Santorini, Greece during our Euro trip. Santorini is the most famous of all Greek islands and a #1 summer destination worldwide. The beauty of this island is incomparable to any other in the world. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This was the entrance of the suite we stayed in. This was a sea-facing executive suite. We visited Greece in November, which is generally considered off-season, and because of which we got this amazing deal of $1,000 for 3 nights. We have added link to the same in description where you can find all details like how to book, price, location, etc. This was the view from our suite, which was simply magical. Along with this mesmerizing view, this suite comes with private heated pool. And this is how the room looked from inside. You can also request for in-room breakfast or breakfast in the balcony with the view, for which you have to pay around $20 extra per person. The very next morning, we opted for floating breakfast, which was such an amazing experience. Thank you so much for watching. That's all we have for this video. Please let us know in comments if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.